Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord's oil life indicator. Keeping track of your oil life is crucial for your vehicle's health, and resetting it after an oil change ensures your maintenance minder provides accurate reminders. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process, allowing you to confidently manage this important task at home in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to prepare your Honda Accord. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. For push-button start models, press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. This action illuminates your dashboard, giving you access to the vehicle's information display and maintenance settings. Next, you'll navigate to the oil life display. Locate the Select/Reset button, which might be a knob on your dashboard or a button on your steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly until the engine oil life or engine oil indicator percent appears on your multi-information display. This screen shows you the current status of your engine oil. Finally, to perform the reset, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. The oil life indicator will start blinking, confirming your selection. Continue holding until the display changes to 100%. Once it shows 100%, release the button. Turn off your ignition, then start your engine to verify the oil life has been successfully reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.